Hi guys, this is Mel from That's My MO, as in That's My Milo and Olivia. I'm here to help. If you have any questions about parrots, please ask. I am trying to get all the parrots to stay in their forever homes and don't go to rescues, especially cockatoos. And this is the purpose of my channel, to inform people that are getting a parrot or already have one and have questions. So if you like what I do, please subscribe, please like, and please share.
Hello again, I'm back. Today I'm going to tell you about socializing with your bird. A good way for your bird to bond with you is to play with it, obviously. Loving on my shirt, it's a gray thing. This is a Timney African gray, and this is a Congo African gray. And here's the third one. She obviously is a Timney African gray. Her name is Olivia, and she's a baby. She's almost 6 months old. My mom is interacting with my Moroccan cockatoo, and she is trying to bond with him since she's visiting here. So she's been playing with a ball with a bell in it, and we're going to be playing toss, which is a game that he likes to play. You give him the ball and then he drops it for you. Oh, yay! Oh, yeah! Good boy, Milo. Huh? Hey! Milo. You gonna throw it? Come on. What? Thank you. Uh-oh, wrong way. Wrong way, Milo. Hi, Milo. Huh? Go get the chicken. Get the chicken. Ducky. Huh? Throw it to my mom. Hey, wrong way. Wrong way.
Links erbij.
Yay! 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 Milo! Yeah! Thank you! Yay! Woo! Thank you! Thank you! What? Come on, throw the ducky. Throw it. Uh-oh. Wrong way. Throw the ducky. What? Come on, throw the ducky. Come here, baby. Milo. Milo, come. Throw the ducky.
Thank you, and as always, have a good day, good night, good evening, whenever you are.